Many official applications require you to prove that you own a property. Whether you are applying for a visa, securing a mortgage, obtaining a bank loan, purchasing insurance, filing taxes, or handling a legal matter, you may be asked to provide a declaration of property ownership letter. A well-written declaration formally confirms your ownership of a specific property and assures the recipient that the information you are providing is accurate and supported by legal documents. A professional declaration of property ownership letter clearly identifies the property, explains how ownership was obtained, states the purpose of the declaration, and confirms your willingness to provide supporting documents if requested. So here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your contact information at the top of the letter. This section identifies who is making the declaration and provides reliable contact information should the recipient need to verify your identity or request additional documents. Make sure your name and contact information match the records associated with the property whenever possible. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, July 25, 2026. The date establishes when the declaration was made and confirms that your statement reflects your current ownership status. Using the current date also helps demonstrate that your declaration is up to date. Recipient information. Next, write the recipient's information. For example, Property Verification Department, First National Bank, 780 Financial Center Drive, Atlanta, Georgia, 30303. United States. This directs your declaration to the appropriate department responsible for reviewing your documents. Addressing the correct office helps ensure your letter is processed without unnecessary delays. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, Declaration of Property Ownership. The subject immediately identifies the purpose of your letter, allowing the recipient to quickly understand the nature of the document before reading its contents. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Sir or Madam, using a formal greeting establishes a respectful and professional tone, making your declaration appropriate for banks, government agencies, insurance companies, embassies, and other official organizations. Opening paragraph. Now identify the property you own. For example, I am writing this letter to formally declare that I am the lawful owner of the property located at 3258 Willow Park Drive, Phoenix, Arizona 85016. United States. This opening paragraph clearly states the purpose of your declaration and identifies the property in question. Always provide the complete property address exactly as it appears on the title deed or official registration documents. Accurate property information helps the recipient verify ownership quickly and reduces the possibility of confusion with another property. Providing the complete address also ensures that your declaration can easily be matched with legal property records. Ownership confirmation paragraph. Next, explain when and how you became the owner of the property. For example, I confirm that I have owned this property since September 18, 2021, and that I hold legal ownership through a recorded purchase agreement and registered title deed. To the best of my knowledge, the information provided in this declaration is true, accurate, and complete. This paragraph confirms both the length and legal basis of your ownership. State the date you became the owner and explain how ownership was obtained, whether through purchase, inheritance, gift, or another lawful method. Including these details gives the recipient greater confidence that your ownership is legitimate and supported by official records. Be sure that the ownership date and legal documents mentioned in your declaration are consistent with your property records. Purpose of declaration paragraph. Now explain why you are submitting this declaration. For example, this declaration is being made for the purpose of supporting my mortgage refinancing application with First National Bank and to verify my ownership of the property listed above. This paragraph tells the recipient why your declaration is required, whether your letter is being used for a visa application, bank loan, insurance claim, tax filing, or another official purpose. Clearly stating the reason provides important context for the reviewer. A specific purpose also helps the organization process your documents more efficiently. Supporting documents paragraph. Next, explain which documents you can provide to verify your ownership. For example, if required, I am prepared to provide supporting documentation to verify my ownership, including a copy of the property title deed, purchase agreement, recent property tax records, mortgage documents, and the official property registration certificate. This paragraph demonstrates that your declaration is supported by legal evidence rather than simply your personal statement. Mentioning the documents you are prepared to provide reassures the recipient that your ownership can be independently verified. Having these records organized in advance can help speed up the review process. Only mention documents that you can actually provide if requested. Request paragraph. Now request that your declaration be accepted. For example, I respectfully request that this declaration be accepted as confirmation of my ownership of the property identified above. Should you require any additional information or supporting documentation, please feel free to contact me using the information provided above. This paragraph clearly explains what you are requesting while showing your willingness to cooperate if additional verification is needed. Offering further assistance demonstrates professionalism and helps maintain open communication throughout the review process. Responding promptly to requests for additional documentation can prevent unnecessary delays in completing your application. Thank you paragraph, then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. Although brief, this closing paragraph expresses appreciation and ends your declaration with courtesy and professionalism. A respectful conclusion leaves a positive final impression on the recipient. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely Rebecca Collins. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Signing your name confirms that you stand behind the information provided in your declaration and accept responsibility for its accuracy. Before submitting your declaration of property ownership letter, carefully review every detail to ensure the property address, ownership date, purpose of the declaration, and legal information are accurate. Include copies of your title deed, purchase agreement, property registration certificate, tax records, or any other supporting documents if requested. A strong declaration is clear, truthful, supported by official evidence, and gives the reviewing organization confidence that you are the lawful owner of the property described in your letter. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.